In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Auto Submit in Expensify. This feature, while convenient for automatically managing expense reports, might not be suitable for every workspace, especially if you prefer a bit more control over when and how your expenses are submitted. So, if you're ready to regain control over your submissions, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Expensify workspace. This is the hub where all your expense reports and settings reside. Accessing this area is straightforward. Simply log in and head over to your workspace dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options and settings tailored to your workspace needs. This is where you can fine-tune the way reports and expenses are managed to suit your preferences. Next, locate and click on Workflows. The Workflows section is where you manage and customize how your expense reports are handled within the workspace. By clicking here, you're entering a space dedicated to the automation and frequency of submissions, among other things. You'll see different options related to your expense reporting processes, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout if it's your first time here. Within the Workflows area, look for the Delay Submissions option, which should be associated with Submission Frequency. This is an essential step because it deals directly with altering how frequently submissions occur. By examining this option, you'll discover settings that allow you to either delay submissions or control their regularity. It's here that you'll decide whether to maintain automatic submissions or shift toward a more manual approach. Now, it comes down to setting the submission frequency to manual. Adjusting this option to manual operation is key to disabling automatic submissions. What you'll want to do is change this setting, ensuring that expenses are not automatically submitted without your explicit consent. This adjustment gives you full authority over the timing and specifics of each expense report that you submit, rather than relying on Expensify's default automated process. Taking these steps ensures that you have enhanced control over your expense reporting workflow. It's not just about turning off Auto Submit. It's about reassessing how you manage reports in a way that aligns with your organization's needs. With manual submissions activated, you gain the freedom to decide exactly when each report should go through, potentially catching errors or omissions that an automated process might overlook. So there you have it, a simple yet effective method to turn off Auto Submit in Expensify, empowering you with the control you need for expense management. If you have any questions or need further assistance with this process, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful in optimizing your Expensify experience.